Our academic advisor, Mr. Jyoti Prakash Tripathi sir, to give some the presidential message to the society. Now, I request Mr. Jyoti Prakash sir, always give us the good mentors, always the supporters. Please sir, come to the rise and say some presidential message.
Bande Utkala Janani. Before starting my speech, I would like to thank to all the freedom fighters as well as all those fighters who have sacrificed their life to bring glory to our state on this auspicious day. Thank you very much to our honorable principal present over here for being a guiding lamp not only for the children but also for the society. We are really very thankful to our chief guest. Please, I hope that you all should give your big hand for our most esteemed chief guest of the today's function, Mr. Prabhu Prashan Behera, as well as our chief speaker, Dr. Aditya Keshari Misra. He is working as one of the faculty member in Central University of Koraput. And really we are feeling very happy to have him with us in this today's occasion. Gurunang Guru. He is known less than Mr. Prasant Kumar Sahu sir, the immediate authority of all the schools. Our respected CRCC sir is there with us in this auspicious occasion. And my two advocate fellows are there with us, SSP Padi and Mr. Lakshmi Nrishya Sahu. And they are the glory of this particular today's function for them also. And last but not least, the person who sacrifices everything and dedicated for the institution growth as well as for the society, and he is none other than our respected chairman of DAV Gurukul Baluga, Mr. Prasant Kumar Mahapatra sir, and his beloved Mrs., who is none other than our secretary ma'am, Mita Mahapatra ma'am. Really, it is a very great opportunity for all of us to get together with everyone in a unique way. We are celebrating the 4th years of annual celebration. That is, though the school is established since 10th year and it completed 10th year, but still then our annual function is of the 4th year. And this year, our annual function theme is Inspiria. You can see that Inspiria means when we collaborate, we grow. This is our main motto of our annual function theme. And this name was emphasized and proposed in such a way so that it will send a signal, green signal, and to all the stakeholders, those who were really working for the development of the grassroots through the education, to promote the healthy competition. If you really want to reach, or if you really want to bring something changes in your society, then your reach and that tactical, you can say that definitely that very emerging technology nowadays you need to use, that is collaboration. When we collaborate, we grow together. That means when we all are working in the field of education, all the stakeholders, all the schools, they should come together in such a way so that it will promote the healthy competition. Just like in our classroom, different classroom, you can see the different thoughts and different activities are being conducted by not only the teachers but also the children. Similarly, for the schools also, we are here to promote that kind of atmosphere. We are always ready to welcome all such schools having good thoughts and innovative ideas to collaborate with us. For all the time, you can see that maximum time you will be on cloud nine to see that some of the factors are there in this area why the DAV Gurukul Baluga is playing a vital role. This is the first school. This is the first school in Odisha which implement NEP curriculum from 2020 itself in its examination structure. You can see our examination structure is framed in such a way, nowadays also CBSE is following this. And you will be finding our exam structure in such a way so that our children will get multiple numbers of opportunity to appear in a particular examination to get this good score in their examination. Second thing is that why this institute is different than other schools? Because our principal is a visionary leader. The principal who is leading the organization, he is a very good, innocent character person. And for our principal, we are feeling very proud to have our principal, Mr. Ramachandra Das, with us. He is so innocent. Whenever any parents are coming to our school to lodge any grievances or complaint, they just feel something and they feel something in such a way that after seeing the looking at the innocent face, they just withdraw their grievance and try to do mutual consent way so that it can never happen again. So like this, we are having a good team and we expect the parents' cooperation for all the time. And we have already seen there are so many hands, on-scene blessings hands we saw from the parents' side. Though it is not good to say particular name, but I cannot forget about one name, Mr. Kelu Charan Behera sir, who was always with us. All the parents are always with us. And Mr. Kelu Charan Behera sir was always with us in every activities, in every stage. He was always been a guiding lamp for us. So thank you. Thank you very much. I think the principal has given an introduction that is a signal to us that this time is over. I would like to thank to all of my respected parents, all the stakeholders, those who were with us. For you, my dear parents, you should have a great hand for you because you trust us. And you are, because of the trust and faith you imposed on our school, your children are with us. So thank you very much. Bande Utkala Janani.